hands here. Okay, look at the cameras.
I got you.
Okay, Cora, do something a little more appealing next time.
We have cameras.
He's not very photogenic yet.
Say that.
Larkin is appealing.
Larkin is appealing.
I'm gonna have to do some red eye removal here. Hey Finn, you should go put your head next to theirs.
You can go put your head right over there. On this side.
Yeah, other side. We're out over to that side. Put it in there next to Cora. Well, That wasn't quite what I had in mind. Can you take the bread out of your face?
Hungry, no.